Oh, that's great. There is 5. I was really concerned about that. I was concerned. I thought there was only 4. I knew I had 5 eggs, and every time I'd come out and check them, I think that was, oh, that's Mom there. Yeah, she just buzzed my head. But anyway, when I come out and check them, when they were little, there would always be one on the bottom, and the rest of them piled on top. Now, I did not put this Noel guard on here until they had laid, I think, 3 eggs. She had laid 3 eggs, so I knew she'd be committed to this box. Then I put the Noel guard on that I made. And she didn't take no time at all. She figured out how to get in there, and I'm hoping that, you know, this is going to help the babies too. When they come out, they can actually sit out here and kind of get their bearings and don't have to take that big leap all at once, you know what I mean, to go where they're going to. We do have a lot of predators. I'm out here, and we've got, you know, neighbors' barn cats, and got a couple of dogs over here that are out here all the time chasing rabbits. And I know the wind's getting worse, so I'm going to get back inside. And I want to thank you guys so much for letting me join this group on Facebook. I've really enjoyed it.